Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a web page into a Blogger post. So let's get started. Right here, I'm in the dashboard of my Blogger website, and let's go over here to New Post. And for the title, I'll just tap Web Page Embedded. And the next thing you have to do is go to the HTML view. So by default, you will be inside the Compose view. So just click on this button over here and go to the HTML view. Now here you can write the HTML, the CSS and JavaScript of your design. Now the first thing you have to do is create an iframe. So let's create an iframe over here. And in the iframe, you need to have an attribute called src. And here you have to type the link of the web page. And then you can close the iframe over here by just typing this closing tag of iframe. Now here you can add the link of any web page. Now I have hosted an audio player that I created to Netlify. Now Netlify is basically a hosting service and it also has a free plan. So I have uploaded this audio player to a free Netlify URL. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this audio player from scratch, I have videos on that, so you can go ahead and check them out. I will leave the link in the description of this video. And this is the audio player. We can go ahead and click on play. And the audio starts and play, pause, stop, mute button, and we also have the volume controls. Now let's embed this page into our Blogger post. Now one of the problems with Blogger is that we cannot upload audio directly to a Blogger post. So here we can see in this toolbar we cannot see any option to upload audio. We can upload images or videos, but we cannot upload an MP3 or a WAV file. So here I have hosted the audio player in Netlify, and let's embed this page into our Blogger post. So let's copy this link from here and let's go back to our post, and here in the src I'll just paste the link and let's save it and let's see how it looks. So let's click on publish and confirm, and let's click on view, and here we can see the website is being displayed, but we need to make some changes to this iframe. We can see that it doesn't have the correct height and width, and it also has this frame border. So we have to remove that as well. So let's go back to our post and let's add a class to this iframe. So I'll just type class and I'll just name this class music player, and let's create some styles for that. So I'll just create a style tag, and here we will target the iframe with this class music player. So I'll just type iframe dot music player, and let's add a width of 100%. And let's set a height of 200 pixels. Now you have to experiment with this width and height values according to your web page. Now for my audio player, 200 pixels of height is enough. And we also need to remove the border. So in the iframe, we also have an attribute called frame border. So let's type frame border and we'll set it to 0. And now let's click on update. And let's go back to our web page and let's refresh this. And here we can see that the audio player is being displayed over here, and we don't have any problems with the styling, and it also works correctly. We can see that it is being played and everything looks alright. So that's basically how you embed a web page into a Blogger post. And that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.